Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, Professor for you here with another very important and interesting video which can change the society and also change yourself and also cause to improvement your country, your region. So let's start today's video. We will discuss here 10 peoples which are having basic and fundamental influence in the improvement and change of the society. If these following people improve themselves and become positive, then society will be improved and changed that you can't imagine it. Following are the 10 peoples which we are going to discuss here. The number 1, clerk. If a clerk start doing his work honestly and avoid corruption and also guide others the importance of such positive things, then you can see the change in the society and how the society improves, and magically society will improve. At the same time, the clerk can also start spending a fair portion of their salaries on people who are in need. Then you can see how much positive and creative change will happen in the society. Number 2, small shopkeepers. If the small neighboring shopkeepers also follow the rule of legitimate profiting in their business and also try to look after the needy peoples in the society, then you observe a very good change in the society and people will feel prosperous in this way, and how much like and brotherhood will be increased in the society. Number 3, small businessmen. How much improvement will be happened by the small businessmen if they do their jobs positively and honestly. The small businessman, if the reasonable portion of their earnings deposited in a separate place and used to support the poor people, then how much change will come in the society and how much improvement you will see. They can also play a vital role in the improvement of the society. Number 4, professors. If the professors who teach higher education become sincere about teaching and sincere about their profession, how much change will be happen in the society. And at the same time, if these professors spend a fair portion of their salaries on the support of the poor, then more happiness and improvement will be brought to the society. So they can also play a very vital role in the improvement and changing of the society. Number 5, cloth shopkeepers. If these people also sell clothes with honesty and also try to help the poor people who can't buy cloth with money, how much better the society will be. How great would it be to keep providing clothes, especially for those who are unable to buy clothes on the special occasions like Eid and other celebrations. Number 6, doctors. If these people also become sincere in their profession and do not benefit from the compulsions of forced people, then how many people can be improved and every day treat a patient who is unable to treat himself or help him to go to the other doctor for other treatment and also help to get medicine from pharmacy, then you see how great improvement will come in the society. So this is the basic point. The doctors can play a very important role in the changing and improvement of the society. Number 7, primary teachers. Primary school teachers are the best source of academic teaching of our children and also can educate the children morally also. If all these teachers also consider the moral training of children, then how much improvement will be there. The society will change. Moreover, if they spend a fair portion of their salary on poor children's books, clothes, shoes, and other accessories, the improvement will be more greater and society will be changed. Number 8, bakery owners. If these people also earn a reasonable profit while selling things and at the same time keep giving milk and other similar things to the poor people, how good and better the society will be. At the same time, if the bakery continues to provide such things to the poor people who can't afford it, then what will become beautiful and better, the society will be changed. Number 9, restaurants. How much better would be if these people will also follow the rule of honesty and provide the things to the people at the good rates. Along with this, they will also try to providing food to 5, 10, 15 or 20 people every day by giving parcels to them who could go home and have a good meal with their families with dignity. So how much better and how much change our society will be after these workings. Number 10, engineers. These people can also play a very important role for the betterment of society and can guide other children toward better field of future. The children will lead to the development of the country by the guideline of the engineers, and at the same time their financial support will also lead to the betterment of the society. These 10 people fundamentally can improve the society, but individually everyone has to do their part to improvement of the society and country. If everyone continues to contribute little by little and everyone continues to play their role, then the real change will occur in the society. At that time, that change will lead to the betterment of the society. So please try to build your country and try to change your society. You are the basic source for changing and for the improvement of your society. Keep watching my videos and also encourage me by leaving nice comments so that I can make better videos for you. And also follow my YouTube channel Professor for You. Thanks for liking, sharing and watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.